Hi, I'm Victor Finkelstein with Kansas City Accident Injury Attorneys, practicing personal injury in Missouri and Kansas. I'm going to talk a little more about depositions. In my first video, I explained what a deposition is. Now that you know how important it is to your case, I would like to offer you some valuable tips for sailing through your deposition. Remain focused. Listen carefully, think carefully, and answer carefully. Once you answer, your answer is out there. In our daily lives, we seldom give full attention to what is going on around us. For example, we often listen to the TV while reading a newspaper. As a result, our attentions are not fully focused on either activity. In the deposition process, it is vitally important that you remain focused. Please listen to each question carefully. Always tell the truth. Remember, you're under oath and subject to penalty of perjury. So make sure that you understand the question you are answering and tell the truth. Do not exaggerate. Never attempt to enhance or protect your case by embellishing the truth. Listen for objections. If your attorney has any objections during the deposition, do not answer. Stay silent and wait for the attorneys to work it out. That is why you listen, pause, think about the question, see if there's any objections, and answer. Be certain that you understand the question before you answer it. You have a right to understand the question asked. Do not hesitate to ask that the question be repeated or restated. If you answer the question, it is reasonable for the other attorney to assume you've understood it. Do not speculate. If you don't know what the question is and you need clarification, just ask. If you don't know the answer, don't just make it up. You don't need to have an answer to every question. You need not answer with absolute certainty. However, you should limit your testimony to those matters regarding which you have a high degree of certainty. Don't guess, because that can harm you. Answer fully, but do not volunteer. Answer the question fully and completely, but never volunteer additional information. Often, witnesses who are parties have a natural tendency to want to tell their story, and the deposition is often the first time that the witness has had a chance to do so. You must fight this tendency. Answer the questions that are asked, and nothing more. Having said that, not every answer in life is yes or no. Sometimes it is necessary to explain your answers. Please attempt to do so in a concise fashion. If you can answer yes or no, do so and stop. If necessary, explain your answers. However, do not make speeches. Lawyers use words as weapons, and the more you say, the more ammunition you provide to the other side to use against you. If your answer is correct, stick with it. A question may be asked a number of different ways. The answers to each should be the same. Let me know if you need a break. A deposition is not an inquisition. If you need a break, please tell me. Do not give opinions or estimates unless you have good reason for knowing such matters. Take your time and give the questions and answers as much time as necessary. Wait until the person asking the questions finishes his question before you begin your answer. This will allow you time to understand the question and formulate your answer, and will certainly help the court reporter. She can only take down the testimony of one person at a time. Your case is a serious matter. Please avoid any jokes, wisecracks, puns, or any other kind of flip remark. Do not get mad or lose your temper at any question. Do not be angry or defensive. Sometimes lawyers will attempt to get a witness off stride by making them mad. When a witness gets angry, he often loses control and may say something that will harm the case. If there is an inappropriate question, let me be the one to handle the situation. You are the witness, not the lawyer. Do not argue with the lawyer for the other side. Do not advocate for your case. Simply answer the questions that are asked. If you have any questions about depositions, feel free to call us for a free consultation at 816-471-5111 or visit our website at kansascityaccidentinjuryattorneys.com. If If you want even more tips for your deposition, check out another one of our videos in this series called More Tips on Depositions. I'm Vic Finkelstein. Thanks for watching.